Hey guys, and it's just literally the morning.
Day 5.
Yeah, I
Day
didn't probably leave till
5 or 3? 4 or 5?
4. Because tomorrow's 5.
You sure?
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna go with day 4. Let's hope it's day 4.
It is talent.
Okay, good. So
I know yesterday was day 2.
I don't know.
we're just having brekkie right now. Not all of us are having brekkie yet.
Only Alex.
Molly's doing Indy's hair. Alex is eating his
Barney's
brekkie.
playing an annoying game called Talking Angela. It's very freaky.
So
But you're going to.
I don't know what we're gonna do today. Oh, and here's Lani. She's playing her iPad. Yay!
Hello! No, let's run in this.
And Ella just woke up and got dressed.
Wiggle, wiggle. How about you say it sound like me and then I do wiggle.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be. Yeah, I'm gonna be on face cam the whole time.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
We're gonna be on face cam the whole
Helen,
time.
you've got to have some breakfast.
I just had a whole breakfast.
Great.
I might have some toast. Vegemite toast.
How are we going to cook that?
Tired, mate. You've been awake all night.
Have you got that toasting thing?
Yeah, I'll crack it up.
No. I will do it. Do you want some raisin toast or something?
Mm-mm. Just Vegemite toast.
I think it's just
Tired today.
I want to stab this
Do you want a Vegemite and cheese jaffle?
so it can burst.
Just Vegemite?
Mm,
It needs to burst.
I just want a Vegemite toast.
Yeah, well he can squash the toast together with Vegemite and butter and toast it.
No.
Alright,
It's
I'll be
really
trying to work
good.
out how to do
It's
that.
super good.
Okay, will you use it?
We
Okay.
don't have a toaster, but
He said okay.
Let's just
No.
I didn't put
side of the
that
tree. Tell him, just plug that into the side of the
You
tree.
charge your iPad up, what you do?
Yep.
From that tree charger.
Tree charger.
Talon my iPad. Ella and my iPad only have 2%.
where's our
Ooh.
Great.
I have 65. I have 100.
Yours
My
is
dad charged it.
Oh, lucky.
Andy, how much do you towel?
21.
Give you our bread too.
I'm on 21.
Remember, Andy? I'm on.
I might quickly turn
I'm
the.
on 12.
I might quickly turn the camera around.
Cheese and bacon.
Okay.
Does anyone have any
So.
cheese and bacon rolls, man?
Should be some cheese and bacon.
Oh yeah, I want a cheese and bacon roll.
They're in your tent.
Right.
The cheese and bacon rolls.
I want a cheese and bacon roll.
Yeah, that's a good thing to cook.
Yeah.
There's 2 bags
I'm gonna
of those.
quickly turn the face cam to videoing, like regular videoing, and I'll be back quickly. Bye. I just decided I'm not gonna turn the camera around because everyone's here. Everyone. Like literally. Everyone except.
John's under the table.
Oh no, Listen's here. Yeah, everyone's here.
Table, and you just stick it.
No, Haley's
Oh,
still
no.
sleeping.
Oh yeah, Haley's still. Oh no, Haley's right behind you. Oh, hello.
Incoming for this baby.
Cup out of that.
Pretend this is a baby kangaroo coming to see
Indy's got some brekkie. If you can see.
Hey!
No, you rest them all.
Alex just threw that. Okay, I'm gonna
You can get 4 there, but
go and show you what
get squish.
you're playing.
No. She's playing Talking.
Get up! She's playing Talking Angela. Yay.
The worst game in the world.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And Molly's doing Ella's hair now. Oh, and Indy's finished her hair.
The baby kangaroo came and got you.
Should have, shouldn't we?
And this is our last full day.
Wonderland.
Tomorrow we're going to be showing you packing. Just going to be packing up. So,
My dad just said we're going to
yeah.
You know what? Which one won it?
We're not going to do any animal hunting today. We're just really tired.
Let's not do day 4 today.
Yeah, we're doing it today. It's day 4.
What am I doing now?
I want to get something to eat.
Alex.
You're annoying me.
Alex, you come and sit with me. You come and sit with me, Alex. Alex, come on.
Mine.
Come and sit down with me.
Ow! Ow!
Come on, get up on the chair. Sit down on the chair. Ew, don't do that. Sit down on the chair.
Dun, dun, ch, dun, 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 ch.
Hello.
Ew.
Alex. Hello.
Ow, my butt crack's falling.
What? I'm pretty sure everyone else is gonna come over soon.
Yeah.
Is everyone else coming over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm right next to you, so you should show me.
Hey! Don't scrape the camera.
Here you go. Oh, thank you.
Alex. Sniffled nose.
Hey, Tom, I'm trying to get into this action.
Okay.
Hellos
you can come
to
in.
everyone.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Just sit here and talk?
Drink cordial. Drink pee.
Ew.
Drink beer. B.
Alex, Alex, if you be quiet, I'll give you some licorice. I've got licorice and I'll give him some if he just be quiet.
And I'll give you a gummy bear.
Yeah.
And I'll give you a gummy bear. I'll give you a sample.
So thanks for watching. Sorry we had nothing to do. This might not be an exciting video, but
We'll come back in a minute.
we'll come back in a minute doing more stuff because
Yes,
seriously we are bored out of our minds.
And eating breakfast.
But once we've got our energy after breakfast, we will come. Yeah, I know. I'm having some breakfast. We're gonna go kangaroo hunting.
Yeah, and we're gonna go nice mountain hunting.
So
See
you
you.
in a
Someone's
See-
banana peel pancake.
What the? See you in a second, guys. We're just about to go to the beach. Yes, it's really nice weather down there. We're not actually driving to the beach because there's a beach right here. And this is day 4, not really that exciting. Bye. Oh, and hit the like button, like and subscribe in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. Thanks for watching. Bye.